Welcome to Beginner's Guide to SOLIDWORKS Wrap lesson. In a new part, add a new sketch in the front plane. Draw a circle and dimension as indicated. Select the Point tool and add a point at the top quadrant. Make an extruded boss. Enter the depth and click OK to finish. Expand Boss Extrude 1, select Sketch 1 and make it visible. Add an auxiliary plane, select the top plane and the point in the sketch. Click OK to finish. Select Sketch 1 and hide it. Click on the new plane, add a new sketch and change to a top view. Draw a vertical construction line. Select the construction line and click in the menu Tools, Sketch Tools, Dynamic Mirror. Hide the auxiliary planes to continue. Select the Line tool and draw the sketch as shown using the Click, Move, Click method. Add the dimensions indicated. Dimension between the endpoints and enter the dimension as 1.5 times pi. Add a geometric relation to make the two arcs equal. Click on Offset Entities. Select a line and turn on the options Select Chain, Bidirectional, Cap Ends with Lines, and Make Base Construction Geometry. Click OK to finish and exit the sketch. In the Features tab, select the Wrap command. Select the sketch and the cylindrical surface. Set the wrap type to deboss and wrap method to analytical. Set the depth and activate the option reverse direction. Click OK to finish. Add a fillet, set the radius and select the wrap feature from the feature manager. Click OK to finish. Save the part as cylindrical cam and close the file.